Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. So for today's video, this is just gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys what I've got for my Boxycharm for the month of July. Actually, I got this bags like I think today it just came in like around afternoon, and I didn't open the box yet because I wanted to share with you guys and see what I've got. So yeah, so without any further ado, please keep on watching. By the way, I forgot to mention, so if you guys don't know what is Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box for only $25, and then you get like 4 to 5 items full size. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please check that out, and I will also leave the link in the description box so you guys can see my video. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first item that I got is this one right here. So this is called 1-1 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, and it says here a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. This one guys, it costs $135. So now I am going to open the box and I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Actually, this is the first time that I have this one, and I'm so excited to try this out. Next item that I got is this one right here. I really like the packaging guys, it's really cute. So this is called Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. It says here, get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. And this one, it costs $35, and I'm so excited to try this one out. Alright, so next I got this one. So this is the palette. It says here Ace Beauty Bronze and Paradise. As you can see guys, I really like the packaging. It's so pretty and I love the color as well. So I am going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with a mirror, and I love the color of the eyeshadow guys. It's it's like neutral color, which is I like it. And this one, it cost $30, and it says here the Bronze in Paradise Bronzer palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products. Next thing that I got is this one right here. So this is called the Cream Shop, and it says here this is the Cream Shop Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter, and it says here this cushion highlighter is a luscious hydrating formula that gives skin a beautiful and ethereal glow. This one, it cost $20. So now let's go ahead and open the box and I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm excited to try all of it guys. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with a mirror in it. My hand is sweaty. And then there's a little foam in it, and then so this is the lotion powder, It's a white color. Then the last item that I got is this one right here. So this is called Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. It says here, with this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. Wow, this is interesting. And this one, it costs $20. I love the packaging. As you can see, guys, it's very colorful. I can't open. There you go. So this is what it looks like. So I'm happy that I got this one. Alright guys, so that's all that I've got. I got like 5 items, full size, and I love all the products that I've got for the month of July, and I'm so excited to try them out. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have some questions, just comment down below and I will answer you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.